Hey friends, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to make an art drawing. To make this drawing, the type of paints which I'm using are acrylic ones. I'm starting this drawing by making sections on my canvas. The canvas I have used is of 4 by 4 size. To create the background of the picture, I'm creating some sections about 4 to 5 with different colors. I'm trying to use light pastel colors to create my background. Filling these sections thoroughly so that no empty spaces or white mark would be left in it. The main purpose of this painting is to draw a floral piece of art. I have kept it as simple as it could be so that it could be practiced by beginners. It's too easy and it's a beautiful painting that could be made by beginners, and you could also place it in your room or anywhere or could gift it to someone. So here the background for my picture is almost completed and this is what it looks like. I have created 5 sections of different colors so that it will give a colorful and a vibrant background to my picture. Now, on the front of it, I'm going to draw some leaves with the marker. To draw the outline of the leaves, I'm using a black marker, but to fill it, I will use black paint. So here I have drawn the outlines of the leaves, which are the main theme of the picture. Now I'm using black acrylic paint to fill these leaves and to create a picture the complete look. These leaves will add a look to the picture and will make it a wholesome painting. So the picture is on its way to be completed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have liked this, and to have more creative art ideas, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay blessed, stay happy, and here is the final completed look. Thank you.